Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I missed you guys on Wednesday, but so today for this video we're gonna be going to Subway. I'm going to get Subway and I'm very excited. I already ordered it and I'll tell you guys what I ordered. I'm pretty a basic gal. I really don't care for like anything else but like, you know, the basic stuff. So I'm on my way right now. I'm almost there and I cannot wait to talk to you guys because I missed you guys so much. And yeah, I really missed you guys. I just love recording, so, and I love eating. Like that's like the one thing I would never miss out on is the eating part. So yeah, but anyways, I'll talk to you guys when I have my food. So bye. Okay guys, ooh, sorry about the lighting. I know it's kind of like, you know, this is like good lighting, you know, the shade, but this is what the food looks like. And then I got a large Coke, or I got a bottled Coke or whatever. So let's just open this up. So I got some Doritos. My sub. Whoa! That's like the size. That's literally the size of my head. And then I got some cookies. Good, yeah. They got them right. Yeah. So I'm very excited to eat. Starving. So yeah. Right, so let's take a thumbnail. You guys already know. I used to work at Subway, by the way. I don't even remember having Subway like last. Whoa. I don't know when. Whoa. Whoa. This is just so messy. This is really messy. Okay, so we're gonna take a thumbnail. Oh, the cookies should be in it. Man, okay. We're just gonna do it. We're just not gonna do the cookies. Wait, hold on. I need a good thumbnail's done. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I get mayonnaise, pickle, lettuce, ham, cheese, like American cheese, and then like bacon. I never get bacon on it, so that's something new. Mmm. Mmm. Maybe I should move, because this is kind of like a busy street. But yeah, I never get bacon on it, but I got ham and turkey. So ham, turkey, cheese, lettuce, pickles, and mayonnaise. Very basic. Mmm. It's like it's quiet, but I'm like next to like a busy road, so. Mmm. Mmm. Before I get started, I'm gonna check. Okay guys, so I moved, like drove down the street and I realized I need to like back away from the street. So that's what happened. But so yeah, I had to wrap this up. So we're gonna just finish eating this. We haven't really started. But yeah, that's what I get on my sub. Like I was saying. Looks really good. Mmm. Mmm. If you guys can still hear the cars, I'm so sorry. Man, it's good. I love sun chips too. I was gonna eat sun chips, but with the sandwich, like I need Doritos. Super good. Ooh, Miles is getting sick again, or having a cold. Just started, and now I have my sore throat, so now my throat kind of hurts, which sucks. Yeah, last week I didn't post on Wednesday because I had a video like ready, like I had a video made, but Miles was he was in it. It was a Chick-fil-A mukbang, and it was gonna be short. Short as in like 10 minutes, so it really sucked too because I got a lot of food and I got a shake and all that stuff. But he was just tired, so he wasn't the happiest in the videos. So it was raining. It was just a mess. So I didn't post it. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I just won't post. And then I just had that Saturday video that people can watch if they wanted to watch me or whatever. So yeah, video to watch or whatever honestly video they want to see. Like they can go back to 9 months ago and watch my Taco Bell videos, you know. But it's like I want to stay active and post and stuff because, you know, I like posting. Gotta move my seat back. I feel like I'm too close now. Also, I can move the camera back. I feel like my head's cut off a little bit. This video, I just want it to look good. Like, literally. But, yeah. So I was telling you guys, I wanted to start filming the 2 times a week and do Saturdays and Wednesdays. But over the weekend, like today is Saturday, the 26th of February. So I would have to post the video today. And I don't have a video unless I upload this one and post it for today. But I don't have one. So, and then on the weekend or the weekdays, like maybe Monday or something, I'll have to go film for Wednesday. It's just like a lot right now. Just wait until I get an apartment. When I get my own place, there will be like cooking videos on Saturdays. There will be a cooking video and a mukbang video. Like cooking and mukbang. Cooking mukbang video, and then a fast food mukbang video. So those would be my...
Sorry, I can't search for videos on Apple Watch.
Those would be my uploads. And also, I might start vlogging too. I really want to start vlogging, but that also is when I get my own place, so I can actually vlog. and stuff. All I'm just saying is stick around. Stick around. Don't leave me. Stay subscribed. Stay watching my videos. Don't leave. Because there'll be more videos coming in the future. Like, it's not just going to be me just sitting in my car eating fast food for years and years. It's going to be more stuff, you know? I'm going to eventually get tired of eating out on fast food. But also, come on. Me. I have been eating fast food constantly for like the past 4 years. You know, summertime, walking to Burger King, Taco Bell. I mean, it's just always been in my life, so. But you never know. So yeah, that was nasty. But so like it, just stick around and you'll just see. So for right now, I'm only gonna be posting on Wednesdays until I get my stuff figured out, okay? Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is currently 12:02. I want my cookies now. I love cookies. But it's 12:02 when I'm eating this. I got a white macadamia nut cookie. These are good. And then I got chocolate chip. 2 chocolate chip. Just like raw. They're like doughy, but they're good. That's the way I like my cookies. Not done. Also, guys, in my past video when I said that my tooth was hurting, so I think I'm getting a cavity, I'm going to the dentist soon. Because I called him, I was like, bro, like, I think I have a cavity, so I need to come in sometime soon. They're like, oh, well, you already have an appointment for March 8th. So I was like, okay. Like, I'm going. So I'll keep you guys updated on that because it really freaking hurts. But also, me eating cookies and me eating Doritos all the time. I eat a lot of snacks. But it comes with working a night shift. Because you really don't have, I don't know. Your days, your lunches at 12 o'clock at night is 5:30 in the morning. Or 6:30 in the morning. You know, it's like, it messes up your eating schedule. It messes up mine, at least. You know, I can't even taste the bacon in this. I usually get like the flatbread. But I got this bread instead because when I worked there I had it and it was fine. I literally worked there only for like a month. Maybe not even a month. Because literally when I started, I hate that noise. It gives me, I hate it. I keep doing it, but, because there gets stuff underneath my nail. But anyways, I literally only worked there for like a couple weeks. And then like COVID happened, so everything started shutting down. So yeah, there wasn't like nobody there. So I was like getting paid to do nothing, practically. Dude. Oh my gosh. I hate getting my car messy. What the fuck? Or what the freak, man? Man. Also, guys, look at my nail. I literally freaking fell off. And this one. My pinky. I literally glued them on. I re-glued them. And they fell off again. So I said, whatever, I don't care. Now, none of the nails, none of them are going to come off now. Because they're freaking stuck on there. I already tried. They all freaking hurt because I keep like messing with them. This is why I don't need to spend that much money on my nails every time, because I get tired of them easily, to be honest. I really do. It's like when I was little, I used to get those little fake nail kits, and then I literally would have the nails on for a day or two and then rip them off. And yeah. My mom would be like, you don't need your nails done. You're just going to rip them off. You're only going to keep them on for a day. Or not even a week. And I'm like, nuh-uh. And now look at me. The same person. I just keep picking at them. And picking at them. But I'm jealous. Like, I need my nails done. Because every girl has their nails done. I'm like, oh my God, they're so cute. But it's harder to do everything with nails. I mean, like, eventually, if you have the same length the whole time, you eventually get adapted to it. But, like, oh, God. Like, and I loved painting my nails, just my natural nails. For the longest time. But then I stopped. Then I stopped painting my nails because I hated it. Hated the color. Hated just like the way my nail looked. So. And then had my natural nail just be natural, which I actually like because I feel clean. And then I cut them when my nails grow. Because I hate nails. Like, natural nail, like, they freak me out. Like, natural long nails freak me out. I don't know why. Especially when guys have natural long nails, it's like, cut that shit. I'm sorry, I keep cussing. But, like, cut them. Because, like, no, please don't. Don't touch me with your long nail. Like, don't. So, yeah. I don't know why. Like, it just does. So that's why I just like having just nub nails. They're not nubs, but like also kind of are because you don't got no nail in your nail. I mean, length to your nail. Like, if, oh, you guys can't even see because it's not going to focus. You guys get it. I like devoured this sub. I literally have this little bit left. They put a ton of freaking pickles on it though. I didn't say extra. But yeah, this is good though. Also, I'm gonna start using this so you guys can see the food because I was thinking about getting like an eating tray, but I don't even sit in my passenger. I don't even sit in the driver's spot, so there's really no point of paying $15-20 for an eating tray that I'm not gonna use. Because it's just easier filming here because I have more open space. And I have my little mini tripod that I use. Like, I've showed you guys before. But, yeah. These cookies are so flat. Like, look how flat that is. I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, nails. Also, guys, there is this like this conditioner. It's called 7-Minute Miracle. I think it's like a miracle shampoo. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. It's the best. It makes your hair super smooth. At least for mine, my hair is curly, but it makes my hair super smooth. And I got the heat protectant spray that it comes with. It comes in a little bottle, obviously, and you just spray it in your hair. You can style it, use it as heat protectant or like whatever, detangling spray or style spray, whatever you want to use with it. Oh my god. I recommend it so bad. Because literally, this hair is, it's day 4 or 5. I usually do not keep it this long because it gets really, really greasy. But it actually hasn't been. Like, I don't think it looks that greasy. I don't think it looks that bad. Oh, that looks nasty. I just think it's like, it could be worse, you know? So I'm just very like happy that I got it because now I have something I can use in my hair. So I definitely recommend if you guys want to go get it. And let me know if you guys get it and just show me. Or just like tell me like how it does in your hair because I swear it works so good. Like, I don't really use, like, a lot of stuff in my hair because I just don't know. Like, most stuff makes my hair greasy, like, and oily, and I don't like that, so. But that stuff does not. And I love it. And I was so pressed and so happy to get the spray because I was like, oh my gosh, this just makes everything make sense. Because I got this dry shampoo. Oh my gosh. Literally, girl. Or guys. Guys probably don't really care about this whole video because I'm talking about nails and hair. But literally, oh my gosh. I got it to make my hair not oily. And it made my hair oily. Like, I was like, what's the point of that? It literally made my hair so greasy. Or like greasier. I was excuse me. I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, how can this be? Cause now I don't even want to use it. And for my curly hair, I don't use dry shampoo. I don't use any of that stuff when I have my hair curled because it's like my hair doesn't really get greasy. It just gets really nappy and, you know, ready to be washed. It just gets nappy. But like my straight hair, obviously it gets greasy. But, oh, there's so many parking spots over here, and why are there people parking behind me? Oh. I mean, I guess as long as I go in, I should be done soon. But yeah. Guys, I'm about to go to sleep for the rest of my day. That's all I have planned is sleep. I slept 10 hours last night. I was like, woo! Because I just love sleep, man. It's like the best thing ever. I think I'm gonna edit this video though, because I love editing it after I'm done, so I can see like what the vibe is. I don't know if I want to eat that because might end up getting two cavities in my mouth. This was a lot. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I really do, because I'm just going to give you these good vibes and good energy. Because there's a lot going on in this world. But I'm not going to talk about it because I don't even know the whole details or anything about WAR. But anyways, I feel like I'm not even full. After eating a whole freaking foot-long sandwich with chips and cookies. I mean, I am. I know it's gonna hit me, but like, what do you guys want to see next? Because I've never done a Subway video, and I didn't even think of it. And honestly, I just craved Subway, so I'm like, oh my gosh, why not film it? Obviously, I have to film it, obviously, because, you know, I haven't posted. First of all, that sound was disgusting. I scraped it against my car. But yeah. Okay, I'm done. And I also feel like you guys don't even really care either. I think you guys really don't. You just like watching the videos. But I have like a whole freaking journal written, or like ideas, video ideas. I just don't like feel like doing the video. I've been wanting to do Wingstop for the past month or so, ever since I started back up. I haven't done it. Have not done it. Ooh, there's crumbs everywhere. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Oh my gosh, dude. Sorry, you guys are seeing my rolls. Oh, but yeah. Just haven't done it. Excuse me. Because I honestly don't really like wings. I don't really care for wings. But like, I've never had a Wingstop before, so I was like, ooh, that'd be a good video to film, since I have never tried Wingstop, but haven't done it yet because I don't want wings. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna either throw this cookie away when I get back to the house, because I'm gonna be debating on eating it on the way back, or I'm gonna eat it. Or yeah, like I just said, And with these nachos or these Doritos, probably gonna eat those on the way back too. We'll see. Or leave them tomorrow for lunch. I could also do that. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Yes, I did. Besides the driving around, trying to find a fucking quiet place to. Okay, my car needs a clean. There's too many crumbs everywhere. But I did like doing this video other than just driving around trying to find a spot to park and eat at. Oh my god, my hair. But yeah. Alright guys, let's talk to you guys next Wednesday. I'm going to be posting this on Wednesdays again. Sorry for the confusion. Thought I can do it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day.